Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Fly Line Foul. It is Goose opener here in New York. We're hunting a little cornfield here. It's been a while since you heard from us. Long story, but we're back at it. We're gonna bring you guys a bunch of videos. So it's been a really dry summer here. The corn was starting to get chopped like last week in August, so birds are hitting the cornfields. This is weird for us. Opening day, we usually never hunt cornfields. It's usually all hay, grain fields, stuff like that. But today, cut cornfield. We got about 120 birds here probably. Checked it out last night. Couldn't see them from the road, that was good. Dan somehow saw him dropping into the field off the road as he's going 60 miles an hour. But yeah, we're at it and we'll catch back up to you.
What are we doing? Yeah. That was cash, bro. We're late now. They're landing over there.
Killers too.
Oh, let's go, boys.
Let's go, boys.
We fucked them up. Hey, get them, pick them up.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, baby! Yes, sir.
Let's go, baby! Let's
Yes,
go,
sir.
Good
Go,
shit,
boys.
Good,
Of course, my GoPro didn't connect.
Check ankles, check ankles. How many we get out of that? All of them? Except two?
This one.
One.
Sleepers.
How you like that, boys?
That's the way we do it.
First of the year,
That's the way we
boys.
do it.
Awesome.
Group of 10 came in, probably killed 8. So it's a good start to the morning. Great start to the year.
No.
Oh, fuck. You could have raped them fuckers, too. These are gonna commit.
Yeah.
Remember how I showed you the thing about Katie with the pole sock?
Oh, dumping it in here.
Oh, right here on the ground. Right here in the decoys.
Take him. Kill him. No. This group, alright. Oh, I feel way. You ready?
Go ahead.
Hell
Good
yeah,
shot.
son. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, son. Hell yeah.
We had 4 come in, they landed off to the left here, and the rest of the birds were circling and working, and then they left. We're like, well, do we shoot? Another group came over the trees, kind of, they didn't want in, but we passed by and shot 5 more, so.
You want to open
doing
that
good.
back too? Give them like a lane.
Something's gotta happen.
They keep, like they want to come here, but like, this is like cutting them off, kind of.
Cover heads.
Perfect.
That's how we like it.
Perfect. Oh, hate these fucking things, dude. Dude, again, bro. Dumping them. Shoot that thing. Dumping them.
This friggin' pillowcase.
Dude, he got hit hard.
What?
This thing's friggin' pillowcase, dude.
No, it's on my other lane here. I know.
Well, you know, we've only been out here 30 minutes, seen 12 birds, killed them all. No, I'm just kidding. But, yeah, 20 came in. They just circled us 4 times. Didn't want anything. So, yeah, we moved some decoys around. We're gonna hope that does a trick.
How many we got?
We got 13, I think. Plus a couple that soared off, but we'll figure it out.
To just.
Got plenty of daytime.
Yo.
All right, so the geese kind of been finicky. They're picking us out, so we moved the spread a little bit. I think we're gonna try to get them to land right in our face now with the wind, and we pushed the blinds back a little bit, so hopefully we get them to do it right.
All right, so we sorry we missed this on film, but we were just sitting here talking. Look over, here comes 6 good birds, silent as all get at. come in and we just rained the whole entire flock. We just went from 15 to 21. It was friggin' nuts. Insane. Insane.
Decent.
Wavy fire, baby.
Okay, so we're wrapping up the hunt now. Boys are bringing back all the gear to the trucks. You know, it was not ideal this morning. The wind totally just was not in our favor. This tree over here screwed us a little bit. They just did not want to come and, you know, use the wind to their advantage, so they were just not centering up for us. But we ended up, you know, making do with it. We shot 21, I believe, in total. Here they are. Not bad for opening day. I mean, we found birds last night. We switched up feeds that we were gonna hunt because this one had more in it, but we just caught this one last night and we were able to get 21 out of a bad situation, so we'll take it for the first day. So we got a lot more birds we found in the area, so it's looking to be a pretty busy weekend. We got a 3-day weekend, so we're looking to hunt every single day this week, or weekend, and hopefully have a lot more birds down. So stay tuned, like and subscribe.